Hey Apple, let's talk. What are you doing? Why are you soldering storage directly onto the motherboard of all your MacBooks?
So what I believe you were trying to say is thank you.
No, Apple, not this time. You're flat out not telling your customers that if your hardware fails, that they're gonna lose all their data that they have on that computer at that point in time. And that's just a common sense issue that needs to be reevaluated for all your products. If my hardware fails, I want an easy solution like I did in this video, where I took out the hard drive and could actually hook it into another computer and pull the data off of it. When looking for an answer on why you actually did this, I kept on running into, oh, it's more reliable. But how reliable is a solid state drive with it naturally degrading over time from electricity passing through it? So instead of being able to replace the solid state drive for only $150 or so, I have to go out there and buy a whole new MacBook. That would be equivalent of me going out and driving my car, the tire blows out, and instead of replacing just the tire, I have to go buy a brand new car. That makes no sense. That business model is just getting old and you need to change. I know you offer online backup and storage, but what about in the moment of when your hardware fails? What is the customer to do? All that data is on that hard drive, but because it's soldered to the motherboard, they can't get the data off of it because you don't allow any direct connections to the motherboard. Okay, that's enough ranting for now, but I do have a solution for you if you're looking for that Apple look/elegant feel and touch. It's actually gonna be the new XPS 15 laptop from Dell. It offers the latest 10th generation Intel processors, the high precision machine milled aluminum chassis, 16x10 infinity edge display offering up to 100% Adobe RGB, and all that gives you the power and looks to stun. Check out the links below to find out more about it. And if you made it this far, I suggest checking out Louis Rossman's latest video where he goes over some more important details on right to repair. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you like it and share it around, and also check out my YouTube channel to get subscribed.